Hey everyone, ¿cómo está todo el mundo? I should have showed this step by step, pero no lo enseñé para enseñar cómo ustedes pueden limpiar su donde hace tus acrílicos. No sé cómo se dice esto en español. Your mortar, but I use bleach, and still you couldn't take off the color. Yo usé bleach y no, el color no se le sale todavía. También yo uso este disinfect. I use also this. Oops. I use this. Yo uso esto también para desinfectar my table and everything else. And nothing couldn't take it. I even used soap, dish soap, and the color still wouldn't come off. I should have showed it to y'all, but I didn't have all that or whatever. Now I'm using the alcohol pads, and the alcohol pad took off everything. Cleaned it beautiful because of course I don't want to mess up. I'm going to do a white acrylic. This is white glow in the dark, which is on my videos where I bought it from. I'm not going to remember. Está en los videos míos donde yo compré este color blanco que brilla en la noche, en la oscuridad. Está en los videos míos donde yo lo compré. Yo todavía tengo más. I still have more. But yeah, I'm here using my alcohol. Where's my new one? Didn't I just had a new one? Oh, here it is. Which I gotta throw all this crap. I just put some here. Clear acrylic. Este acrílico cristal. Porque esto va a ser para el sorteo. This is going to be for the giveaway. I should call it maybe Galaxy. I was thinking about calling this one Galaxy Quest.
Which one?
My acrylic that has blue in it. Este tiene azul. Eso va a ser para el sorteo. Y este va a ser para el sorteo. No esta botellita, pero tengo que ser a preparar. Limpiando esto muy bien. Cleaning this really good because I don't want to see my I don't want to see my white change color, because then I'm gonna really be pissed. Me enfogono si el blanco se me cambia el color. Lo estoy limpiando muy bien. When I say I'm cleaning it really good, trust me. If I don't begin it today, then I have to do it tomorrow, because I have to let it dry. So far, it looks so good. I still see like a very little bit. Veo como un poquitito. But I have to clean it really good. You know? I keep using alcohol pads until I see that everything looks good for me. And to top it off, I can't see. Yo sigo usando mucho de esto. ¿Cómo se dice esto en español? Gasa. ¿Qué dice aquí? Gasa preparada con alcohol. Yo uso unos cuantos hasta que yo veo que nada está en el papel. Whatever. This. En la gasa. But, hey Zayden, can you throw the rest out? Or Sky, here, throw this out for me. No more? Here's another one. Here, throw that one out. Oh, wait a minute, my candy. I got to eat my candy.
Aren't they so good?
Yeah, they're good. I like them.
Me too, I want one more.
Oh, wait a minute. Actually, no, let me clean this one.
Right there. Here.
I'll finish that one in a little bit. Let me see. Let me say something.
Please some butter on it, right?
So far, so good. Ay, sí, está limpio esto. Para que no se me cambie el color del blanco. I'm going to use acrylic. Voy a usar acrílico blanco. White acrylic. Plus this white glow in the dark. Este color blanco que brilla en la noche. Let me see. So, well, it looks good to me. And I can't see too good. Does this look dirty to you? That's my fingerprints. So see when you put your hand under it, it changes. So do you see anything dirty there?
No. No.
How about here?
No, I don't see it.
You see it good?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
All I saw is your hand.
No, because you know, if you go like this, you'll think they're still dirty. Si pone tu mano debajo, se cree que estás todavía sucio. Y yo sí que no puedo ver muy bien. I can't see, which just sucks.
Oh, it's my turn to clean the dishes.
Let me clean another one. I still gotta clean this one. Did you throw it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I drink some of my tea?
Drink your tea. Does it taste good?
I like how it tastes.
You like it?
Can you give me some tea? When you're done making a video? Why is your table moving?
Oh, because I'm cleaning, and so the vibration of my legs, where I'm at right here sitting down, it's moving it. Let me see. I don't know if it's clean. Wow, cleaning. Already is 7 minutes.
Michael, you made me see tea.
Hmm?
Put it in with one hand. Michael, put it in some tea.
I want. What happened? Here, throw that
Put
down.
some tea with this.
No, you want alcohol as a tea? Okay, here. Let's make believe this is a tea bag. My tea bags are downstairs. Here. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, the tea got soda.
Okay, everything still looks good.
Look, what happened? No, right there. That little hole.
I don't know.
Thank you for the tea.
You're welcome.
And what's this?
Okay.
And what's this? I know what that is.
That's mine.
It looks like
That's a shirt. No, that's a shirt.
So why does it look like a dress?
It's not. It's a shirt. Go put it back.
Wait, I'm gonna buy it next time. Thank you.
Okay, everything is perfect.
Thank you for the tea. It tastes so
Está
good.
limpio.
I like your tea. Your tea tastes
Yep.
so good.
Clean.
Your tea tastes so good.
That is how I clean my motor. Así es como yo limpio mi. It is a motor. Maybe it's to pronounce the way I'm saying it. My pedestal, whatever you want. I don't know.
Your tea tastes so good. I love it.
Wait, why did I say pedestal? Am I right? I don't know. So that's how I clean it. Así lo limpio. Yo hago otro video. Este era más que enseñar. Yo no sé por qué no hice el video muy whatever. I should have just showed them step by step. But I used bleach and then my disinfect. And I also use dishwashing soap. And still it wouldn't come off. The alcohol took everything off. El alcohol sacó todo. Porque yo usé 3 cosas. El jabón de que tú lavas los trastes. El bleach. Y el disinfect. De eso que yo uso. Nada lo sacó más que el alcohol lo sacó. This, my alcohol pads. Okay? Yes. These alcohol pads, I get them from the doctor. El doctor me lo da. Me da cajas. Y también esto también. La señora me lo da.
No. Okay, it's your turn to clean this.
Go take that off.
Oh, I'm gonna throw that on too.
Oh, there you go. So I'll begin another video, okay? Just showing to prepare this.
Where's the turkey?
Ay, ay, ay. I gotta make sure I put the name because watch, I'm gonna end up forgetting.
Oh, here. This is the detail. No, I just cleaned it.
Tengo que poner los nombres porque muchas veces se me olvida. Eso yo lo hice también en muchas cosas que yo hice. No le puse nombre y se me olvidó. I did a lot from all my mixes and stuff like that. I forgot to put the name and forget it. Now I don't remember. Unless I end up going back to my videos or Instagram to look, and I ain't got time for all that. No tengo tiempo para estar mirando.